So our Curl-Crested Aracaris are actually native to southern Amazon rainforest, so kind of Brazil and that region. These guys do get their name from those really cool little curls at the top of their head. Those are actually feathers that roll in on themselves, and they actually have kind of the same texture and feel as the cassette tape, that black plasticky type of feel. We're not really sure why they kind of adapted that weird, interesting hairdo, but that's where they got the common name from. The two Aracaris that we have here are both a adult pair. We have one male, one female. And these guys are actually pretty social in the wild. Typically we'll find them in family units. They could be up to 5 adult pairs and all of their offspring. So sometimes you'll see them in flocks up to 10 to 15 animals. These guys are frugivores, which means they love their fruit. But we do also offer them a little bit of variety in the diet. Sometimes they will eat things like insects or even other birds' eggs. So we also replicate that here as well at the aquarium. These guys are very active, and we want to keep them not only physically active but also mentally active. So if you come to the aquarium, you'll often see different toys and what we call enrichment in here. We can do different things as far as manipulative objects, wiffle balls, stuff like that for them to actually pick up and interact with. We can do different things like sounds, different foods, different sights. So these guys really do use their brain for all of that. We want to make sure that they're staying mentally active as well as physically active, because just like us, we need to be kind of mentally alert for a little bit each day just to keep us in our top condition. Yeah, you don't normally do that. That's a first.